Welcome to our channel. Today we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to get financial help from the Salvation Army. Step 1. Determine your needs. Identify the type of financial help you require, such as rent assistance, utility bills, food, or emergency aid. The Salvation Army offers different programs depending on your situation. Step 2. Find your local Salvation Army office. Visit salvationarmy.usa or call 1-800-SAL-ARMY to locate the nearest branch. Local offices manage assistance programs and can guide you on eligibility. Step 3. Gather required documents. Prepare documents such as ID, proof of income, proof of residence, and bills or notices for which you need help. Having these ready speeds up the process. Step 4. Contact the local office. Call or visit your local Salvation Army office to explain your situation. Ask about available programs and how to apply for financial assistance. Step 5. Complete an application form provided by the office. Provide accurate details about your household, income, and specific needs. Step 6. Attend an interview if required. Some offices may request an in-person or virtual interview to better understand your circumstances. Be honest and provide any additional documentation requested. Step 7. Receive assistance. If approved, the Salvation Army will provide help based on your needs. Assistance may include direct financial aid, vouchers, or referrals to other support services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.